Hey, welcome back to Mandy's Planet. So today I'm making Zippy Egg Salad. I'm going to start off by boiling 24 eggs. I am using brown eggs today. They look so nice boiling in that water. And I do salt my water. So while those eggs are boiling, I'm going to go ahead and chop up 1/2 of a white onion. Okay, these eggs are done boiling. So I'm going to go ahead and take them out and put them in an ice bath to cool before I start peeling them. So they pretty much cooled off and our ice has melted. So I'm going to get ready to start peeling my eggs. I may have eaten one of those boiled eggs. Okay, here comes the fun part. We're gonna go ahead and get our ingredients together so we can get our Zippy Egg Salad going. So first we're gonna start with Duke's mayonnaise, and that's my mayonnaise of choice. And I'm going to be using 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise. And the reason why I'm using 4 is because I have 24 eggs. If I was using 12 eggs, I would only do 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Next up, we're going to do 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. And this just freshens up your salad. One teaspoon of paprika. And any of these ingredients that you do not like, you can leave out, but I don't suggest it. Next we have sugar. I'm going to do 1 teaspoon of sugar. Well, if it will actually come out of there. There we go, 1 teaspoon of sugar. We're going to do 1 teaspoon of sea salt. Or 1.5 teaspoons of sea salt, sorry. Then we have our Heinz mustard. I am doing 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard. Then 1/2 of a white onion that we chopped up earlier. Did I say white onion? I mean yellow. Sorry. You can use white or yellow onion, it doesn't matter, they're both good for cooking and stuff like this. You could also use a red onion for this, but it tastes a little bit different, it's a little bit sweeter, just depends on what your taste buds are. So now we're going to go ahead and chop up our eggs to get ready to go into our salad. And I do small chops and larger chops. You know, it doesn't have to be perfect. And I'm pretty impressed with myself. I boiled those eggs to perfection. Look how pretty and yellow. And that's it, guys. You don't want to, you know, boil your eggs too long and have that weird green or gray color on them. You want them to be just perfect. That's why I did exactly 8 minutes and then put them right into that ice bath. So here we have our eggs are all chopped up, and we're going to start mixing up all our ingredients. So it's a little much with that big spoon, so I just switched to a smaller spoon to stir. It makes it a lot easier. And just make sure that you get everything stirred up good and that your mayonnaise and all your seasonings have coated all of your egg salad. And what I'm going to do after I make this, I will let it sit in the refrigerator to get cool and then serve on sandwiches later with a slice of tomato. You can also eat it right away. It just depends whether, you know, you like it a little bit warm or you want it cold. It doesn't matter. Just gonna go over the ingredients again that I used. The Duke mayonnaise, the Heinz mustard, lemon juice, paprika, sea salt, granulated sugar, and these are all ingredients that you know you should have in your pantry. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, Mandy's Planet.